If you're building a compact yet powerful PC, choosing the right case is essential. In this video, we'll reveal the best Mini ITX computer cases, perfect for gamers and creators who want maximum performance without sacrificing space or style. Number 1. Cooler Mini ITX computer cases. The Cooler Mini ITX computer case stands out for builders who want an attractive, functional chassis with excellent airflow and flexibility. One of its most eye-catching features is the magnetic dust filters, which not only serve a practical purpose by preventing dust buildup, but also add a unique visual pattern to the exterior. This case has impressive clearance capabilities, supporting CPU coolers up to 159mm tall, GPUs as long as 360mm, and power supplies up to 160mm. Such accommodation ensures compatibility with most high-performance components, making it a great choice for gaming or creative workstation builds. Cooling is another highlight of this case, as it allows users to install a 240mm liquid cooling system and up to 5 fans, which ensures stable thermal performance even under heavy loads. The modular I/O panel is a convenient feature, allowing builders to position it at the front, top, or bottom on either side to match their personal setup and preferences. A striking edge-to-edge transparent side panel lets users showcase their meticulous build, displaying their hardware choices and cable management with pride. Thanks to its open thermal design, with perforations on all sides, airflow is maximized and heat dissipation is quick and effective. Number 2. Terra Jade Mini ITX computer cases. For PC builders seeking to blend natural design with powerful functionality, the Terra Jade Mini ITX computer case offers an appealing and innovative solution. This 10.4-liter case maximizes GPU compatibility, supporting cards up to 322mm long, which makes it suitable for today's high-performance graphics cards typically reserved for larger chassis. One of its signature design elements is the front-facing panel, crafted from FSC-certified solid walnut, bringing warmth and character to any desktop setup. The case's exterior features sleek anodized aluminum, including an 8mm thick aluminum front panel that not only adds a premium look, but also ensures durability and rigidity. Inside, builders can take advantage of a stepless, slidable central wall providing 30mm of internal flexibility. This design element allows users to shift internal space between GPU, CPU, and power supply areas, ensuring the perfect balance between airflow and component fitment. The front-facing I/O panel is practical and cleanly integrated, featuring an aluminum power button and 2 USB ports, including a high-speed USB Type-C 20 gigabits per second port for rapid data transfer and modern peripheral support. While compact, the Terra Jade Mini ITX computer case doesn't sacrifice build quality or aesthetics. It provides an excellent mix of functionality and style in a small form factor, making it ideal for creative professionals and gamers alike. Its materials and thoughtful engineering result in a case that's both distinctive and efficient. Number 3. Cooler Master N200 ITX computer cases. The Cooler Master N200 ITX computer case is a solid, dependable choice for builders who prioritize airflow, expandability, and modern connectivity in a compact form factor. Its edgy, asymmetrical design and full mesh front panel give it a distinctive look while ensuring excellent ventilation. Despite being a mini tower case, it boasts surprising flexibility and component compatibility. The N200 can accommodate up to 3 3.5-inch HDDs and 4 2.5 SSDs, providing ample storage options for users with multiple drives or a mix of SSD and HDD setups. It also supports a 240mm liquid CPU water cooling kit mounted at the front, a feature usually reserved for larger cases. High-end graphics cards up to 355mm in length can fit inside, along with CPU air coolers standing up to 160mm tall, giving users plenty of room to install powerful components without compromise. The inclusion of super-speed USB 3.0 ports ensures fast data transfer for modern peripherals. Another practical feature is the removable dust filter beneath the power supply mount, making maintenance simple and keeping internal components clean over time. The Cooler Master N200 ITX computer case strikes a solid balance between affordability and functionality, making it perfect for budget-conscious gamers, home office setups, or compact media center builds. Its design isn't overly flashy, yet it delivers on practical needs with thoughtful features like the mesh panels for improved airflow and removable dust filters for easier upkeep. Number 4. Thermaltake Core ITX Computer Cases. The Thermaltake Core ITX computer case is a compact powerhouse designed for builders who demand flexibility and cooling performance in a small package. This case supports Mini ITX motherboards and offers a front I/O panel that includes 2 USB 3.0 ports, a headphone jack, and a microphone input, providing easy front access for essential connections. One of its standout features is the interchangeable symmetrical side panels, which let users personalize the look of their system while improving functionality. Inside, the Thermaltake Core ITX case offers adjustable I/O panel locations and extreme air or liquid cooling configuration options, giving builders the freedom to tailor the build's airflow and component layout to their needs. Its dual modular drive rack design allows for up to 4 storage devices and dual expansion slots for GPUs up to 260mm in length and 40.5mm in width, alongside a CPU cooler up to 140mm tall and a high wattage PSU up to 180mm. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of modern components despite its compact size. The Thermaltake Core ITX computer case excels in offering maximum hardware support and cooling options in a small footprint, making it ideal for gamers, content creators, and anyone needing a powerful, space-saving PC. Its thoughtful design and modular features make assembly and future upgrades straightforward and hassle-free, while its clean, bold styling ensures it looks good on any desk. Number 5. Kxrors Mini ITX Computer Cases. For enthusiasts seeking a portable, minimalist, and durable PC case, the Kxrors Mini ITX computer case is a standout option. Compact at just 12.2 by 5.3 by 7.6 inches with an 8.1-liter volume, this handheld case makes for an excellent choice for LAN parties, compact gaming rigs, or a tidy home office setup. Crafted from pure aluminum wire drawing material, it features a small leather handle on top, adding both portability and style. It's equipped with a front I/O panel including a USB 3.0 Type-C port, ensuring modern connectivity right at your fingertips. The case uses 3-sided mesh panels that dramatically improve hot and cold air exchange, making it an excellent option for high-performance, small form factor builds. Inside, it supports a 100 to 130mm SFX or SFXL power supply and CPU fan heights up to 60mm. GPU compatibility is impressive for its size, supporting cards up to 305mm long, 55mm tall, 2.5 slots. The clean aluminum build and portable design make it one of the best Mini ITX computer cases for users seeking both performance and portability. It's an excellent choice for anyone who values a lightweight, stylish, and efficient small form factor build. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.